Heintz Boy Garage is the show to watch. If you don't like me, you can suck.
Brian's got some exhaust work. Built, not bought.
Nice boy Fab.
Painting that shit black.
Black.
Oh man, I do love my engine bay. Wait, what the f... So it is now Sunday. The rest of that recording was on Saturday when I was gonna work on the thermostat and stuff. I took it off, I cleaned it, and I siliconed it back together, and well, after, you know, letting it dry and whatever. And then I put the silicone on it and I let it dry overnight. It is now the next day. I'm gonna fill it up with coolant here in a minute. But first, I thought I'd take the time to say that the truck is basically like done. I mean, not done because I'm still gonna modify more stuff. But I mean, for this iteration, it's pretty good. I'm fairly sure the valve covers are sealing now. I don't see any smoke anymore. I don't see any oil in the headers. The coolant leak, I'm hoping, is now fixed. And then I'm gonna go pick up some fun parts this weekend for it to kind of solidify the next version of this truck, what it's gonna be. So you can stick around for that because it's gonna be some fun stuff. But as for now, let's fill up some coolant and see if it leaks. Harley Davidson. Brian is actually 800 years old, if you didn't know. Brian turned 68 this December.
I already broke my back.
Let's go drive this thing around and let the thermostat open and get some coolant in the top passages of the radiator, and we'll come back and see if it leaks. I don't see any leaks. I keep staring at this engine bay and I keep thinking to myself, I need to have the hood off more often. This is pretty. It's gonna look pretty with some extra parts in here soon. I don't know, maybe like here or maybe here. Heintz Boy Garage. Back at the Heintz Boy Garage. It feels like it's been decades. It's only been a week, but when you stay here every day for like a year, it feels like I haven't been here forever. Wow, okay, yeah, so let's get to doing some stuff, I suppose. Today, we are going to put on my side skirts, and we're also going to figure out where my front lip went, and we're gonna plastic weld that together because it is broken. And I had something else on the list. I'll let you know if I figure that out. That looks so much better. It's an accurate representation of how low it is to the ground, since my truck, normally the frame is the lowest. But yeah, that looks good. It could be better. I'll show you the other side. The other side I'm not exactly happy with. I made these side skirts back when it was not, like when I didn't have much knowledge about stuff. And I use this really, really thin, like, tin stuff for aluminum. I don't even remember what it is. And it has a little bulge in it. It could be made better, but this works for now. It might get ripped off anyway on the track. Who knows? But, next order of business. Let's plastic weld this lip together. Since it's with the whole lip on, well, how this lip came factory, it's too tall and it drags around all the time. So I had to channel it down the middle, and it may have exploded once or twice. So let's get to the all plastic welded together, and I also put the zip ties back in. I don't know, I think it looks better and it'll add a little more strength, because this thing will probably get thrown on the ground a couple of times if you look how low it is to the ground. Let's put this thing on. So I've got about an hour left here, and I'm just trying to get these mufflers to fit, and I think this is what I'm gonna do right here. Kind of hard to see. My dad just had these two pieces of scrap. Where'd the other one go? Here it is. He had these two pieces of scrap laying around, and they fit about perfect. They're not the prettiest thing in the world, but these cold starts have to hold it at 1500 RPMs. Get pretty obnoxious in the garage out these side pipes echoing off the walls. So this is what I'm gonna start on. That's gonna do it for today. I have got the lip on, got the side skirts on, the exhaust cutouts are done, the quiet side. Not terribly happy with the way it turned out. They're kind of, both mufflers aren't exactly symmetrical, but oh well. But I am done for today. I'm gonna get some little, you know, not too fancy, but just some little roller shots so you guys can see what it looks like now. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Peace. Hello. It's Sunday. Been kind of spacey and vacant, but today we got this thing right here. It's a new vehicle. It's the new daily. So I guess we might as well just show you. It's an orange Ranger Splash with this dope little sticker on it. It says Splash. Paint's not great. Kind of got some patina on it. I'm gonna wax it. I think it'll clean up quite a bit. See, just like from my oily fingers, from the potato chips. Doritos sponsor. But anyway, I'm gonna wax it. I'm cleaning it right now. I got the seats out. I'm just vacuuming. I'm wiping off the dash and all the all the gross stuff. I don't want to drive this thing around with someone's DNA in it. So basically, the plans for this thing, not a whole lot. I'm just gonna lower it and put some big ass wheels on it and fix the stuff that's wrong with it right now. So it'll basically be like my B2200 was before I V8 swapped it and made it into a race car, which was fun. I liked having a little mini truck daily, got some good mileage, rode all right. I mean, towards the end when it started to get really, really low, because I kept lowering it, it rode like ass. But I'm thinking maybe coilovers on the front on this, like a simple setup, not like a whole tube front thing, but just a very easy project. This thing is going to be mint. It's going to be fitted as fuck. I'll put a picture right here of what I want it to kind of look like. So let's get to work on this thing. Let's see what this can do. Oh yeah. About halfway done literally waxing a turd. So, I mean, it definitely made a difference. Might not be able to see on camera. It still looks like shit because, I mean, if I really wanted to get it looking nice, I would have to buff it. But at the moment, this is not my highest priority. So that will do. And also, my flares showed up in the mail for the Mazda. And I'm hoping they fit. They're going to need some modification for sure. But I'm going to test fit those when I get home. They're going to look badass. That is it today for working on the Ranger Splash. The Ranger's Splash. So, we waxed it. We, looks like I still missed a spot. Wiping it off. Waxed it, cleaned the inside, fixed the dent in the tailgate, topped off the fluids, power steering, clutch master, brake master was good. Looks like the fluid could be changed. Coolant's dirty. Oil is very, very black, like advanced blackness. Not like normal used oil. So I need to change all those, but, you know, I'll get to it. But I'm gonna go test fit these flares on the B. I'm gonna tape them on there and see how they look. So, I'll put a little clip into that, and then we will see you tomorrow. Peace.